Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy, we're making it work. We got something from Lasfit. Lasfit's a supporter of the channel, and the channel's a supporter of Lasfit. I've used their products in a few vehicles now. But now I got some mats for my wife's 2025 Corolla Cross. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in this video. Their products have been great so far. Lasfit, I think, stands for laser fit. And everything I've put in any vehicle I've had has fit absolutely perfect. So pretty excited to get these out of the box. We'll set them out in the sun, get them to relax a little bit, see how nice they fit. Let's do it. First thing we gotta do is get these things out of the boxes. Luckily they're rubber, so shipping them isn't too big of a deal. You don't have to worry too much about damage and things, but I still do find they're well packaged. The boxes are appropriate sizes and all that kind of thing. This should be the cargo mat. Set this out on the grass here. Let it relax. Set it down the opposite way it's curled. It's even got instructions if you need them. It tells you about warranty, 90-day money-back guarantee, lifetime hassle-free warranty, 24/7 online support. Pretty simple item as far as installation and all that goes. Pretty self-explanatory, but some people just aren't very mechanically handy, so all these notes are good. Tells you not to put them on top of floor mats, because floor mat to floor mat is not a good thing. Lets them slide around too much and all that. These actually have pretty good traction, I find, and they fit so well that they don't move much at all. I've got a short cleaning them. If you're interested, check that out on the channel. Let's get that other box open. There's a little bit more going on in this box. Now, my wife's vehicle is a lease vehicle, so I think these mats are super handy for taking her original mats. I'll put them in these boxes, and when the lease is up, put the original mats back in. They'll be like brand new. You can't get dinged on for deterioration. Seems like a good plan to me. They're not very expensive. There'll be a link in the description below if you want to check them out. I think for the quality versus price, they lead the market. There are competitors that make good mats too, but at way more money. And in my opinion, not quite fit as well, although they fit okay. I'm really been impressed with these in comparison to other brands as far as fit goes. And that's not just because they sponsor the channel. I think anyone who tries them will be impressed with how well they fit. Let's let them sit a little while. We'll come back putting them in. Now, of course, these were just about due to be cleaned, weren't they? But I'll clean them up before we put them away for long-term storage. For now, we're just going to make room. Now you can see how the Lasfit is going to protect quite a bit more of the carpeting. Comes further up on the sides, further up in the back, even has a ledge. This is where the mats go in. The clips, I mean, go on to hold the mat in. Right here. And you can cover the clips with these snaps. Let's get that piece of grass out of there. And you got to line up your clips. Then you can put your covers, which is a super nice feature because you don't get dust and dirt down there as much. These aren't even fully relaxed. They've only been out in the sun a little while, but I mean, you can see how much further they're going to come up, protect the carpeting from your boots hitting it, or shoes, or whatever, your high heels. It's my wife's car, so to me that's pretty impressive how well those things fit and how much more of the carpeting they protect. When I turn this car in, I'll whip these floor mats back out, put them back in the car. They're going to be squeaky clean too. And I'll have these floor mats for our next vehicle. I can keep them. These things last quite a while too. Let's get the other one in. This side's not clipped in because there's no gas pedal for the passenger to worry about. The mats became something that was retained because people would push the mats up onto the gas pedal and not worry about it until it was too late. Now we can do the same thing with this one too. Might as well show you this one. This gives you an idea how much more space it protects. This mat is so much higher that this doesn't really fit down as much. You can see it's about 1.5 inches. This is 4 inches. Plus the rear ledge so that boots and shoes don't go up on that end. The tray, so if you spill something in the vehicle, it's going to help you with cleanup. Have you ordered them yet? I mean, to me it's a no-brainer. They are a snug fit, so be prepared to just battle a little bit more putting them in and out. And again, these have only sat out in the sun about 10 minutes. The longer they sit out in the sun, the more they'll relax back to their original shape. But I'm figuring sitting in the vehicle, they'll do the same thing. And we have a rear mat too. 2 separate mats from the factory. 1 connected mat from Lasfit. The factory mat does have quite a bit more pins. They're smaller and duller, and there are more of them, where the Lasfit has less of them, slightly larger. Especially being connected, should be a non-issue. Let's see. Man, they fit so nice. Let's go to the other side. I mean, really nice. Now for the cargo mat, my plan on this is to roll this up. It has a little bit of a Velcro effect on it. And my wife always says when I put something in the back of her car, "You scratched my carpet mat." She won't say that anymore. Excellent fit on that as well. Just as I've come to expect. Well, that is a little bit, oh, it's a little off to the right. There you go. And again, something spills, you got the sides to help you. Carpeting looks nice, not really going to help. Plus being a lease, if I damage this, they're going to ding us when we traded it back in, right? There you go. Lasfit floor mats and cargo mat in the 2025 Corolla Cross. This is the hybrid version, all-wheel drive version. There might be slight differences, I'm not sure, but you got to make sure your application is correct. So these just came out, they told me. So pretty excited to be one of the early ones to try them out. I think they fit excellent. Let me know what you think in the comments. Torque the like button before you head out if you would appreciate that. My day in the shop videos are our biggest sellers, although you don't have to pay anything, but they do pretty well if you want to check those out. I'm a mechanic, I take you with me to work all day. That's what those videos are about. Hope I see you in one of those, because you're awesome.